Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you apply the filter effect just for background and CapCut special for PC. Alright, first you can select your videos or photos that you like to edit. Just add to the track and you're just going to select your filters and select filters that you like. For example, I'm going to add the B and the W filters and just for the duration. So you can compound clip. So select the clips, right click and create compound clip. So you can add the same clip, which is make as an overlay, put on top, and body overlay you can remove the background. So select cutout, and you can select chroma key, customize, or auto cutout. But for this video, I'm going to apply the auto cutout. You can see it's processing. So as you can see, the filters only applies to the background. So super easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.